Hello friends! In this video, I'll show you a simple way to grow roses using aloe vera. Start by selecting a fresh rose stem with leaves. Make small cuts on the stem as demonstrated in the video. After making the cuts, apply aloe vera gel generously to the stem. Next, create a hole as shown in the video. And plant the stem carefully. I've placed it in a glass, as you can see. Wow, doesn't it look amazing? After just 3 days, you'll notice roots beginning to form. If you enjoyed this video, please like it and subscribe to my channel for more such tips. Thank you for watching.